welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. I give God thanks and praise for every single thing, and I want to say please continue to give him thanks for every single thing. We have our silly moment, and that was my silly moment just now. I just wanted to say, tap in from the other view there. I just had my wonderful lunch. It was like bagel. I had it with orange juice, and also the orange juice, it was finished, so then I finished it off with a bottle of cranberry juice that I also had in my bag. Yeah, so I'm feeling very rejuvenated. I'm feeling fresh. I put the lippy on. Yes, I've put the lippy on, and I had a very late start to lunch today because it's been very busy, and I have other more stuff that I need to do when I get back in the office. Every time when I finish my lunch, I am not being funny. I just don't have the energy to go back in. Bearing in mind, I'm just making the best of this because when the winter time comes, there's no way I'm going to be out here in the cold to have something to eat. I most likely will be doing it in the canteen. So yes. Any plans for the weekend, guys? What do you have? I mean, I literally record and post as I go along. I literally post almost in real time because it's just what it is. Maybe because I'm not busy enough yet, and maybe because my channel is quite new. So it could be that for now I just go with the flow. I have no particular date and time. I just go with the flow and take you on the journey with me. Yeah, so we can get to know each other more, right? Yes, I think it's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, we're in a rush.
No, thank you very much. Straight away, man.
Okay, cool. Sweet.
Put all the love in it. Put all the love in it.
One brownie,
Ooh.
one cornish one. Thank you.